Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily change the camera angle on any photo using Google Gemini brand new tool powered by Nano Banana. This feature lets you transform your photo instantly just by writing a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store or App Store. And once you're in, just log in with your Google account. And then next just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icons and then create images like this. This is where the magic happens. You can edit and regenerate photo instantly. Now just upload the photo that you want to edit. This can be any picture, a portrait or product photo, or even a selfie. And then just tap on plus button and then gallery. And here's the fun part, writing your prompt. For example, I already made my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt. Gemini will create your photo in 4 new angles at once like this. But if you only want one specific angle, just write it directly. Just choose one angle that you want on here. Just feel free to experiment and adjust the prompt based on your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then go back to your Gemini and then paste it like this. And then just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Your photo now has completely new camera perspective. It's really cool to see how the same photo can look totally different just by changing the angle. Also, the rear view from behind it look weird, but I think overall results it's good. It's still good. And okay, that's it. That's how you can change camera angles on any photo using Google Gemini Nano Banana. It's super simple, super fast, and really fun to play with. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.